Ever felt like you're drowning in a sea of financial options, especially when it comes to something as fundamental as your bank account? Like, you're staring at two seemingly solid choices, Chase and Ally, and you're just stuck? You're wondering, which one is actually better for me? Because let's be real, better isn't one size fits all, is it? It's about your lifestyle, your goals, and honestly, how much you hate those pesky fees. I mean, who doesn't? We've all been there, right? You're trying to save a little, maybe build some credit, or just manage your day-to-day spending without feeling like you're throwing money away. You hear the names, Chase, with its massive footprint and familiar branches, and Ally, the digital disruptor promising higher yields and fewer headaches. But which one truly delivers? And more importantly, which one aligns with your financial journey? Let's break this down. Because the truth is, this isn't just about picking a bank. It's about choosing a financial partner. And to do that, we need to dig deeper than just flashy ads and catchy slogans. We need to look at the cold, hard facts. First, let's talk about accessibility. Chase. We all know Chase. It's the big player, the one with branches on seemingly every corner. That's a huge advantage if you prefer face-to-face interactions, if you like depositing cash without jumping through hoops, or if you simply feel more secure knowing there's a physical location you can walk into. They've got the ATMs, the tellers, the whole shebang. It's the traditional banking experience, and for many, that familiarity is priceless. But here's the kicker, that convenience comes at a cost. Those branches? They're expensive to maintain. And guess who ends up footing the bill? You do, through fees. Monthly maintenance fees, out-of-network ATM fees, overdraft fees, the list goes on. And while Chase offers various ways to waive these fees, they often involve maintaining minimum balances, which can be a hurdle for many, especially those just starting out. Now, let's shift gears to Ally. Ally is the online-only bank, the challenger, the one that's shaking things up. No branches, no tellers, just a slick website and a user-friendly app. And that's where their magic lies. Because without the overhead of physical locations, Ally can offer some seriously attractive perks. High-yield savings accounts? Ally's got them. Competitive interest rates on CDs? Check. Minimal fees? Absolutely. They're built for the digital age, for those who are comfortable managing their finances online, for those who want to maximize their returns without getting nickel and dimed. But, and there's always a but, online-only banking isn't for everyone. If you're someone who prefers the personal touch, who likes to talk to a human about your finances, Ally might leave you feeling a bit isolated. And while their customer service is generally praised, it's all done remotely, through phone, email, or chat. So, how do we cut through the noise and figure out which one is truly better? Let's break it down into key categories. 1. Fees. This is a big one. Chase, with its branch network, tends to have more fees, especially if you don't meet their minimum balance requirements. Ally, on the other hand, prides itself on its low fee structure. They often have no monthly maintenance fees on their checking and savings accounts, and their ATM network, while not as extensive as Chase's, is still pretty solid, with reimbursements for out-of-network fees. 2. Interest rates. If you're looking to grow your savings, Ally is likely the winner. Their high-yield savings accounts and CDs typically offer significantly higher interest rates than Chase's. This is because they don't have the overhead of physical branches, allowing them to pass those savings on to their customers. Chase's interest rates, while not terrible, are generally lower. 3. Accessibility. This is where Chase shines. Their vast network of branches and ATMs makes them incredibly accessible, especially if you prefer in-person banking. Ally, being online only, relies on its website and app. While they're user-friendly, they don't offer the same level of face-to-face interaction. 4. Customer service. Both Chase and Ally have customer service teams, but the experience can differ. Chase, with its branches, offers in-person support, while Ally relies on phone, email, and chat. Both have generally positive reviews, but the preference here often comes down to your personal comfort level. 5. Technology. Ally, being a digital bank, invests heavily in its technology. Their website and app are generally considered to be user-friendly and feature-rich. Chase, while catching up, might not be as seamless for the digital-first user. 6. Products and services. Both banks offer a range of products and services, including checking accounts, savings accounts, CDs, and credit cards. Chase, being a full-service bank, offers a wider range of services, including mortgages and investment products. Ally, while expanding its offerings, is still primarily focused on deposit accounts and lending. So, who wins? The answer, as you might have guessed, is it depends. If you prioritize convenience and prefer in-person banking, Chase might be a good fit. But be prepared to navigate potential fees. If you're comfortable with online banking and want to maximize your savings, Ally is likely the better choice. Think of it this way: Chase is like a reliable, well-established brick-and-mortar store. You know what you're getting, but you might pay a premium for the experience. Ally is like a sleek, modern online marketplace. It's efficient, offers great deals, but lacks the physical presence. Ultimately, the best bank for you is the one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle. Take a close look at your spending habits, your savings goals, and your comfort level with technology. Consider the fees, the interest rates, and the accessibility. Don't be afraid to ask questions and compare different options. Don't just take my word for it. Do your own research. Read reviews, compare rates, and talk to people who have experience with both banks. Consider your typical day-to-day spending habits. Do you frequently deposit cash? Do you like the ability to go into a branch for a complex financial question? Or are you a person who does everything on their phone? And remember, your financial needs can change over time. What works for you today might not work for you tomorrow. So, don't be afraid to reassess your banking situation periodically. This isn't just about picking a bank. It's about taking control of your financial future. It's about finding a partner that empowers you to achieve your goals. It's about making informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. Don't let the noise overwhelm you. Take a deep breath, do your research, and choose the bank that feels right for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.